So now let's work around with the price list section inside of Wix ADI. In order to add in the price list, let me just click on add a new section right over there. And on the left side, you can find the price list section right over here. So let me just click on this, and this is simply a price list that you can add in. So I'm just going to click over here and a new section will pop up where there are let's say, for example, price list right over here, where you can list out the items right over here and link the buy now button with other pages right over here. So you can add in an item right over here just like this, and then let's say something like you can work around with a price right over here. It doesn't have to be dollar, it can be something else right over here as well. For example, it can be rupees right over here, and it'll show up just like that, as you can see. So I'm just going to switch back to dollar right over here just like that, and type in, let's say, for example, $70 just like that. So now I can go over here onto individual sections, work around with their options right here as well. So I can link the buy now button to something else, and I can also work around with different options right over here. So you can go over here and work around with those as well. We can also check out different design options, but here you can see that this is all that is there right over here. So depending on your design, you can work around with them as well. So there's different options like colors, as you can see. So let me just go around and choose different colors over here, something like this, which looks a bit attractive and it catches the eye right over here just like that. And that is how you can work around with the price list section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.